Okay, our first step is to pour 1 cup of milk. Next, we pour it in our blender. Now we will get 2 tablespoons of sugar, so I'm going to get 2 of these. And pour it in our blender. Now we are going to do 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, which would be before the 1/2. So it's not too many. Let's say maybe there. Now we'll be doing 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. So we'll fill 3 of these and then put them in the blender. Now, as you can see, it didn't all come out, so I'm going to use this to get the rest of it into my blender. And now I gotta do 2 cups of ice, so gotta break mine out and I'm gonna fill it to the top. And now I'm going to pour off the icing. It says to do 1/8 for our vanilla, but I'm going to do maybe 1/2 or just a little bit less of this one. And I'm just gonna give it a good stir. Everything's kind of at the bottom. But next step is you're just gonna put it on high and blend it. Now that it should look something like this, I'm going to unplug it, take this out, pour it in a cup. And I'm making a little bit of a mess. Now I'm going to stir it. Tastes pretty good. And I'm just gonna put some more yummy syrup. And now I have my double chocolate chip Frappuccino from Starbucks. Hope you guys enjoy.